Some days ago, when I was looking for books at a book fair here in my city, I found this one, Limapaq Runasimi, which means something like Quechua for Lima, by teacher, writer, and translator Pablo Landeo Muñoz. He was born in the Huancavelica region in 1959. This region, located in the southern Andes of Peru, has a majority of Quechua-speaking people. Well, this book, published by Pakarina Ediciones in June this year, shows many poems here, and the little I know is that these poems reflect the vision of a young girl who comes to Lima. The title of my video has the word review, but my question is, how can I review something that I haven't even read and I will probably not read for a good number of months? My answer is that books like this might inspire and might encourage us to learn some of the native languages of our country. I am an English teacher. My native language is Spanish. Two of my grandparents had Quechua as their mother tongue. Thanks to my mom, I just learned some few words. And since then, there is a feeling of frustration because I cannot understand the many poems there. Just one word here, another word there. Is that the type of frustration a Quechua-speaking person suffers in an intimidating city like Lima, that traditionally has mistreated them? Mr. Landeo, in some interviews I have read, has decided that he will not translate any of his poems. Not only poems, but novels. Quechua has become a trending topic recently on Twitter and social media in general. When we watch something in Quechua, perhaps our first demand, which is valid, I think, is translate it, please. I don't understand. Yeah, but why not learn this language? This is what he wants to promote. Unfortunately, when we read bilingual books in Spanish Quechua, for example, sometimes we overlook the Quechua part, which is the original part. I am aware that there is a debate. Is Quechua a language with different dialects, or is Quechua a family of languages? Well, very recently there has been some controversy regarding the use of Quechua in politics. And rather than cheap politicking or demagogy, what we need to do is appreciate our native language or languages. At the beginning, I complained to myself, why is it not bilingual? But by reading the interviews, I understood that, yeah, even though we don't understand it yet, in the end, it will be rewarding to read these poems and this text in the original language. That's why, if you speak Quechua, I really recommend this book. I have read it, yet I haven't understood, not even at 5%. And if you don't speak Quechua, as in my case, I also recommend buying that. Perhaps this will motivate you to learn the language, and nothing, I assume, will ever compare to reading literature in its genuine, authentic language. Bye-bye.